Hi guys, it's me Rohan and welcome to my channel. After a long time, I'm going to make a cooking video today. We are going to make a different kind of pizza today, which is the mug pizza. Have you guys ever heard about mug pizza? If not, come on, let me show you how to do it. Wait, if you are new to my channel, you have to like the video, share it to your friends, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon, set it to all for new notifications. So whenever I upload my videos, you'll be able to view my videos at the time I upload. Without further ado, let's start! First, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of maida, all-purpose flour. 1, 2, okay, and the final one. Let's take it. And 3. I think I'll add 1 more tablespoon. Now I'm adding little bit of baking powder. Then half the quantity of the baking powder, I'm going to add baking soda. And now I'm going to add just a pinch of salt. Then add 3 tablespoons of milk. 1, 2. Now just 1 tablespoon of oil. Pizza sauce. Mozzarella cheese. Chili flake. You can add it now or afterwards. So friends, now I'm going to bake this mug pizza for 1 minute or more in the oven and then show it to you. So guys, this looks good, but let's see how it tastes. It's fresh out of the oven. It's so hot. Oof. Gotta blow it. Wow, look at the cheese and everything. Let's taste it. so good. It's so good. I wish I could eat this every day. It's so good. So guys, look at the texture. Look at the onions. The cheese, it's so stretchy. And the dough, it's at the bottom. So guys, over there, you might see the dough. So cool. If you like this video, like the video, subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon, set it on all so that you don't miss any of my new videos. Stay tuned. Bye bye. See you in my next video.